So how much of the work can be done on your own, discovering childhood trauma, why you are attracted to a certain person on your own, and how much healing takes place in relationship? Because I've always been of the opinion that you can only do so much on your own. But the moment you put yourself in a relationship, that's where you are going to be triggered.
You can always do work. You can be in a desert with no one around you and you can still do work. Nature will talk to you. God will talk to you. Your body will talk to you. There's always information what you can do more. But there's something about healing that for me, I give lectures. I work out articles. I give speeches on feelings, emotions, empathy and stuff like that. I analyze that. I read about that. Now it's all in my head. That's wonderful. It's very interesting. But before I haven't sit down with my wife, Anita, and hold her, not on the good places, but especially on the more dark places where she suffer. On the places where I get the most afraid of, there's lots of emotions. Now we're not just talking, now it's real. There's real tears. There's real fear. There's a depression. There's a dark day for today. If I can sit on those places unconditionally, being in connection with her, it's on that place where I really embrace life that I've lost, that I give up as a child. To make it real, you need to step into a relationship and give it to the other. Now, the other side of that, you talk about healing. For some reason, the deepest healing happens in a relationship. Like when I'm sad, I can't hack myself and hold myself and feel better. Even self-love, I've tried it. If you look in the mirror in the mornings, but you mustn't comb your hair, you mustn't brush your teeth, you must go in your fresh morning state. You must look yourself in the mirror and you tell yourself, I love you. You must say it 3 times and you must do it for 21 days. So I've tried it. Wake up, look in the mirror and tell myself, I love you. Then I look at myself and see, I'm really getting old. I love you. I love you. I do it for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, but on the 6th day, I really look old to myself. And on the 7th day, there's the light in the eyes. It's as if that sense of feeling special, feeling seen, feeling belonging, feeling existence, in fact, if it happened in connection, in relationship, there's just a realness about that you can't do it in the mirror. It's something that's happening in the connection, in the space between people. But yes, I also believe that the deep healing happen in relationship. And then it's not a once-off thing. It takes time. It takes time to move from feeling rejected to belonging. It takes time for a quiet person to start to speak again and to have a voice again. And one need to have someone in your life that stick with you.
Yes.
It's not 2 years, it's not 5 years, it's not 12 years. Some of our work in our marriage took us 28 years to discover something, a new layer of life. So it's in relationship and it takes time.